What's up, guys? Today we're going to be seeing if I can beat the split-second demo level on all 3 difficulties. Now, I've only played the easy one, so this is either going to go really good or really bad. So without further ado, enjoy the show.
Local gang has taken over a local hotel, and civilians are inside. Remove all hostiles from the premises and find the civilians. Make sure to arrest all civilians and suspects.
Sounds like a plan to me. Damn, that's loud. Where'd you go? You ain't got that kind of aim. Someone's in here.
Screw you.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna call my lawyer now.
See how that works out for you. Like I said the last 50 times I played this, you are not under arrest for any particular reason. This is just until the problem is resolved. I appreciate the cooperation, and you can call your lawyer if you want. Who in here? I don't want no smoke with you, if you don't want no smoke with me.
I swear, I have nothing to do with this.
You don't have anything? Get down. And they got an accessory on their back. Or an accessory on in general. They got something to do with the crime. Okay, just checking. Like what? Bro came out with his gun at his hip. Like, you're actually stupid. Watch. I got you. I mean, I'm not complaining. Come on.
Excellent job, officer. All suspects have been detained or neutralized.
Yippee! Oh, I don't like this. Okay, somebody... Oh, he didn't hit me. I'm so freaking surprised he didn't hit me.
I'm not armed. I'm not a threat.
Okay, then get down. Get down. There we go. Okay. Sorry, sir. I know this is a, like, really inconvenient inconvenience, but we're doing the best that we can. I literally got him because his foot was sticking out. Okay, somebody's in here. I know it.
Don't hurt me. I'm not resisting.
Good job. Oh. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm really not. I should probably reload. Okay. Somebody out here.
What?
You don't have a gun. Okay, cool. Whoa! Put the shotgun away, officer. Damn. It's not that. Damn! Put the shotgun away. I'm not gonna shoot you. He's an innocent man. You did it. Damn! Got folded like an omelet. Damn! What you still tweaking for? Damn. Are you bad? I don't know about you. I think you're bad.
Excellent job, officer. All suspects have been detained or neutralized.
Yippee! Oh, I do not want to come out, bro. Wait, can I turn the laser on? Oh, I have a laser on this too.
I'm innocent. Don't shoot.
You just had a gun. Holy. Goddamn, I'm dead. Okay. So I can only get like 3 shot in this mode. Oh, this is gonna suck, dude. Holy hell! Really? I just died to a fucking grenade! Like, my own grenade! Oh my god, bro. My own grenade killed me. Why they gotta be civilians? Why there gotta be civilians in here? Please don't be right there. Please don't be right there. Okay. That was a citizen? I'm so sorry, sir. Like, that's not even a real person, and I felt terrible. I just killed an innocent man.
Advising the morgue.
What? This is gonna suck. I hate this. Why? Why do they two-shot? I have protective armor.
Suspect killed.
Oh, I got him. I hit him once. I hit him once. Oh. I'ma just grenade it. I'ma grenade it. Nope. I dropped my grenade. Nah, that killed me. Oh, I didn't take any damage. Okay, you know what? Stop being scared, Jack. Just go in with the shotgun and blast him.
Remain vigilant. There are more.
Alright. Okay, now this is auto.
More suspects are in the area.
Don't hurt me. I'm not resisting.
We've made our first arrest, people. Let's go. Is this gonna be the winning attempt? Like, I'm doing really good. Like, he's in here. Huh? Don't. I'm just gonna grenade it. I'm sorry. I'm dead. Like, what? Why can my dude run this, like, why is that how fast my dude run? Like, what? I'm good to fire.
Please don't shoot.
Yeah, you're gonna shoot at me.
Great effort.
Freaking knew it, bro. Oh, God. This door's closed. Wait, oh, I arrested you. I arrested you. Okay, I'm not gonna shoot you, I promise. I arrested you. And the door's locked. No one? Somebody's in here. I'm just gonna blast them. Civilian, now! It's not that serious, but... Bro! I'm so sorry! I feel terrible. Somebody's right there. What? He's right there, then. What? Okay. Why does the opening gotta be... Please don't have two people in here. Fuck! Bro, I got so close! Okay. I gotta save my shotgun shell for that matter of fact, I should do that room as quick as possible, as soon as possible. Damn it! That annoys me a lot. Damn it! That was so close too. That was literally the last room. Like what, bro? Like what? Okay, I'm at full health.
EMS is on the way to assist.
Civilian? You were just firing at me! Fuck. Jesus, dude. Shotgun him. He's coming! Okay, I'm at full health. I'm at full health. I'm at full health. Bro! Okay, that didn't do damage.
Eliminated. Additional threats are in the area.
How? How do you take 50 shots to put down? I gotta regenerate some of my health. Damn! You are strong! Don't worry, guys. That's not the bodily fluid that can't be shown on YouTube. That's strawberry jam. That's strawberry jam. It's a shame because I actually like strawberry jam a lot. It's really good on sandwiches. Like PB&J. Oh, PB&J. Peanut butter and strawberry jam, bro. That's like best sandwich ever. You locking doors in this house? scope! Get on! Damn! My dude got blasted! Come on, show your face. Whoa! I didn't know that door opened! Woo! I am sorry, sir. Damn, I blasted him! Jesus, I didn't mean to do all that to you, fella. Okay, I'm there. I have to headshot. Okay. I'm blasting you.
What the?
Don't. Get down. Please. I do not want to have to blast you, and I don't want to sacrifice this run. I really want this to be the winning attempt, because my heart is like racing right now. I think my health is still regenerating. Oh my god! Get to the door! Okay, game devs. We need to take out the locked door system, because it's not working. Got it. I don't want to risk the run! The door's locked!
I'm not armed. I'm not a threat.
I don't know about that one, buddy. Did I kill him? I don't think I killed him. I don't want to risk the run, bro. I think he's genuine. No! Man, I knew he wasn't! I knew he was gonna shoot at me, bro! God damn it! Ugh! I was so close too, bro. How? What? There's no actual way that this dude hip firing with an AK has better aim than a military peak. There's no way. I'm sorry, but there's just no way. Not to mention I blasted him 4 times in the chest. Not gonna lie, 4 bullets to the freaking chest would put you down. Anyway, I don't know if it would kill you because I'm using a pistol. This might be a 9mm. This is probably a Glock. Anyway, I think 4 bullets to the chest, I think 4 9mm bullets to the chest would at least stagger you a little bit. Not to mention, I was just shooting at him, hit him a couple of times, guaranteed. He hits me twice and I'm dead. What? Rant over. I'm never going on hard mode again once I beat this. This is ridiculous. Okay. Be easy about it.
Suspect down. Be ready for more.
I'm just shooting everybody. I'm sorry. If I, like... I have to fire at everybody. I can't trust anyone. I can't...
Please, don't hurt me.
It's civilians. EMS is
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I can't risk it.
Suspect down. Nice work.
Damn! You have a Glock! Why do you do so much damage to someone who probably has plated Kevlar on? Like, what? Okay, nobody's in here. Like, damn! How much body armor do you have on? There's a dude. What? Why, bro? I don't want to peek! I don't want to peek!
More suspects are in the area.
Woo! You just got blasted! Don't sneak up on me like that, bro. I don't like it. It scares the hell out of me. I don't like when people sneak up behind me. Someone's in here. Oh, I cleared this room already. Bro, why they got it? Ah! I didn't hit him! I didn't hit him!
Eliminated.
Oh, I got him. Damn, he did damage? How? Okay, I still have a mag. Or, sorry. Yes, I still have a mag. I still have a magazine. I just keep referring to that, Moist Critical video where he's like, stop saying clips, you look effing stupid. I literally saw the barrel of your gun, bro. Run in. Woo! That's what you gotta do. You just gotta run in. No more fear. No more fear, bro. I'm done. I'm done. No more fear. Hold up, let me reload. No more fear. No more fear, dude. Just go in. What the so the door's just blocking me. No more fear. I'm not scared. Fuck! Why are you both there? Why is this game so hard, bro?
Officer. Neutralized. Good job, officer.
It's okay. Just lock in. It's alright. You're all good.
Outstanding work. Suspect down.
Okay, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Okay. I'm reloading. I can't trust my mags!
Please, don't shoot!
Hostile eliminated. Additional threats are in the area.
Oh, shoot. He tweaking. Alright, I got this. I've cleared 2 rooms. 2 rooms? Yeah, 2 rooms. That's a gun. That guy's got a gun. Don't shoot me! Okay. Cool. Listen, I'm working with you as long as you working with me. I appreciate the cooperation, my guy. I appreciate it. Nobody in here? Hey, I'm gonna make sure I probably shouldn't point my gun at you. I'm gonna make sure I get you a good money bonus for this. You a G, bro. Oh, let's go. I don't gotta phase through it. You have a gun. You have a gun!
Officer, maintain
Got him.
control and progression.
Nope. Let my health regenerate. Okay, my health is max. Health is max. Okay. I'm good. I wish there was a way to see how many shots I had left. Did I clear this room? I cleared every room. Okay. Reload. It's always this area that gets me. Okay, nobody there. And the door is open. The door is open. And it goes that way. Ooh, back up. Touching my wall.
What the?
Civilian down. Notifying EMS.
I'm sorry, sir. I had to do it. I'm sorry.
Eliminated. Solid execution.
Did I do it? Wait, did I do it? Is that it? Did I win? I think that's it. Did I do it? There's still people left? Where?
Excellent job, officer.
Let's go!
Contained or neutralized.
Let's go! Guys, we're gonna do a celebratory Kamehameha, okay? Let's go! We did it! We did it, guys! Oh my goodness. That took so much focus. Holy crap, my heart is beating out of my chest right now. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for that one dude in that one room that I just...
What the?
With a shotgun. I feel so bad. He was a citizen. I couldn't risk it. I couldn't. I was too far. I was too focused. Oh my goodness, that took everything. Oh. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and it's completely free. You can always change your mind later if you want. And without further ado, I will see you in the next one. Extra Sauce out.